Django, no such table, main.auth_user_old. I was following the first app tutorial from the official Django docs and got this error when trying to save some changes made through the admin page. I did some research on it, but the possible solutions I was able to find, such as migrating the DB, simply won't work. Just let me know if you want to see some specific part of my code. Following is error. And the trace fact. Environment. Request method, post request URL, this URL. Django version, 2.1.4 Python version, 3.7.1 installed applications, pols.apps.polsconfig, django.contrib.admin, django.contrib.auth, django.contrib.contenttypes, django.contrib.sessions, django.contrib.messages, django.contrib.static files, installed middleware, django.middleware.security.security middleware, django.contrib.sessions.middleware.session middleware, django.middleware.common.common middleware, django.middleware.csrf.csrfu middleware, django.contrib.auth.middleware.authentication middleware, django.contrib.messages.middleware.message middleware, django.middleware.clickjacking.string. Options. Middleware. Tracefact.
I just came across this myself. It looks to be related to this URL. For now, you can just downgrade your version of SQLite to a version prior to 2.6, for example 2.5.1.
Get rid of this issue easily maintaining the following steps. Keep Django version 2.1.5, the issue addressed in this version. Pip install Django == 2.1.5. Delete the SQLite DB. Migrate again. Python manage.py make migrations. And then, Python manage.py migrate. Start the server. Python manage.py run server. Done.
Just did this and it resolved the problem. Then,
Here is what I did to solve this problem. Go to the virtual environment and install Django at 2.1.7. Delete the db.sqlite3 file in your root folder. Create the new db.sqlite3 in your root folder. Rerun migrations. Now it should be working all right.